Now I will combine this stroke in the vertical zigzag direction. I will show you here. Again, so I make a dewdrop shape and then gradually lifting the brush, and then I will do a dewdrop shape again here, and but the movement now this time is going to the diagonal direction. It's the same, lift up the brush and then again. So the brush movement is down, up, down, up, down, up. Okay, so to breathe in and out, that can help you. So we can do exhale, in, exhale. So exhale, pressing down, inhale, pause, get ready, and exhale, continue. Okay, let's try. If you have the magic mat, you can use the box as a guideline. If you're using a paper, and just guide yourself with the horizontal and the diagonal direction. So when we're looking at the ideograph, if we are a leader of the band, what's the flow? Da 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 da. What's that music sounds like? So each flow or the energy is different. So the flow, we may feel they are more continuous, like there's more joy coming in. It's like a waltz, like the circle movement. Think about the one before, the semi-cursive. There's more energy. And there's another type of music. So you have to lead differently, right? The same as our brush dance. So this time, watch the flow of the ideograph. Okay, so I will point out the last stroke. Here is a two-stroke linked together. As we can see, the brush indicates the brush moving up in this direction and find the touchdown. So here's a dewdrop shape. And then the brush gently lift up. However, it's still on the page, so it's left a line here. And then it's another dewdrop shape here. And then here is another dewdrop shape, and it's sweeping off. So here are 3 dewdrop shapes in this curved line. I will show you again. One dewdrop shape, 2, 3, sweeping off. So the dewdrop shape here serves as like a pause, but not necessarily stop. So it's pause and a link to the next one. It's like the exercise we did at the beginning. So again, so first the brush is moving this direction, and here is one dewdrop shape, and another dewdrop shape, and here's another dewdrop shape. the dewdrop shape, the size may be different. The last one is a little bit smaller. And here is the stroke I will show you. Okay, so that's the idea of this joint stroke. So the dewdrop shape serves as the middle part. So there's energy here and releasing. And then there's a flow, there's a dance. Okay, let's try. Let's bring this flow and the energy together in this ideograph. If you like the way I teach and are interested in learning East Asia calligraphy, please check out our online program, The Meditative Art of East Asia Calligraphy. The link is in the description. I'm looking forward to practicing with you.